Ate Dap, na-release upon arrival ko. Anong gagawin ko? Maghanap lang, wala pong problema if na-release upon arrival ka, tapos open work permit holder ka. So, you are entitled to, maghanap ng bagong employer. Halimbawa, sa category mo is for childcare, for new pathway ka, diba? Open work permit ang mga new pathway. Caregivers for elderly or childcare. So, you can find employers on the same category. So, kung elderly ka, look for employers sa elderly. Or childcare, you can find employers po sa sa childcare. But if so okay lang po kung open work permit holder ka, kahit ma-release ka upon arrival, make sure lang po may extra funds ka from which country nga ka, your point of origin. So dapat may extra kang pera na papasok ng Canada in kaso na ma-release upon arrival ka. So kung open work permit holder ka naman, so walang problema. Maghanap ka lang kasi entitled kang maghanap, walang problema po doon.